Hey everyone, and welcome to another All About RVs video tour. Today we are taking a look here at a brand new 2025 remote 17R travel trailer by Coachmen RV. We're going to take a few minutes here, walk you through the inside and outside of the RV, show you what this thing is all about. All right, we are now up inside the new 2025 remote 17R by Coachmen RV. As you've seen on the floor plan, it was up here a few seconds ago. This is a rear bathroom, front bedroom, small, lightweight couples coach here. This thing comes in just under 21 feet and a little under 3,200 pounds dry. So starting back here in the back for you in our bathroom area here, you're going to have basically a foot flush toilet. You're going to have a little sink area and some storage down below. Nice little medicine cabinet area up above. There's also a vent up here with the fan in it. Over on the side here, you're going to have your step-in shower, which is actually a pretty decent size here. ABS tub surround, got a pull across curtain and a skylight up above as well. Over here you got 12-volt tank heaters. You're going to have water heater controls, and you're also going to have your monitor panel and water pump switch all right here. But a pretty nice roomy bathroom for a little camper. Now just outside the bathroom area here, you're going to have your refrigerator and a little bit of storage and stuff here. So let's get spun around here for you. So right here, you will have some storage up above the refrigerator. And then the refrigerator itself has the freezer on top. This is a Magic Chef refrigerator that they're currently using. But you do have the freezer part up top and the refrigerator part down below. Below that is going to be an electric box with the breakers and fuses. Over here, you're going to have your little kitchen area. So you've got a couple drawers and some storage space down below here. There's a bottle opener here as well. Over here, you're going to have your propane furnace and also a microwave setup here. 2-burner gas stovetop with a little flip up and down glass lid and a nice large window overlooking the back side here. And then you also have some overhead cabinet space there. On the side of the cabinet here, you got electric outlet and a cable outlet. There's a backer in the wall right there where you could put you a TV. Now just remember, do not use too long a screw because you could go right through the outside of the fiberglass if you're not careful when mounting on the walls. Electric outlet and a little cubby thing down there, a little bungee cubby. Over here, you are going to have a booth dinette, traditional booth dinette. A little bit of storage under parts of it. There's also the ability to make this into a bed if you want to. So if you do have that extra, maybe grandkid or guest that might come with you, they could sleep here as well. Got a nice big window there that does open, overlooking the awning or campsite area. And then you're going to have some more overhead cabinet space up there. Now looking up top here, this one was ordered with a large turbo exhaust fan right here. And then you also have your air conditioning system here as well. Over on the side here, little portable Bluetooth speaker, awning button, and a light switch. Spinning around here, looking at your bedroom area here, you are going to have basically a bed. This will raise up. There is some storage underneath of there as well. There's an electric outlet and USB charger port on each side of the bed. Then you're going to have a little end table on each side of the bed as well. And there's a little bit of area back here where you could maybe stash some stuff down there as well. The window there overlooking the front of the RV and some more overhead shelf space. But overall, this is a pretty nice little couples coach that you could tow with a lot of smaller SUVs. All right, we're gonna step outside. I wanna show you around the outside real quick. We'll be right back on the outside. All right, we're now back on the outside of the all-new 2025 Remote 17R. We're gonna start here on the door side of the RV, kind of work our way around for you. So first things up, we have a white fiberglass exterior attached to the upgraded Azdel composite material, aluminum studded foam block insulated sidewall. They do kind of a unique oval frameless look window here. So that's kind of a little different than what you're used to seeing on most traditional RVs. You have a large power awning here with an LED light strip built in, manual override in the front arm head. There is a pass-through storage compartment area right here. And you can see in the boxes here, that is the griddle that would actually go on the side here if you wanted to do some cooking outside. There's a light in here, a light switch for the cap lights, and also the 30 amp charge controller. You can see down below here, you have the heavy duty scissor jacks. You're gonna have the heavy duty Lippert solid step getting you in and out of the RV, rated for 500 pounds, adjustable feet. Traditional RV entry door and exit door with the screen and also again that oval window. You also have the large folding handle there. The unit is currently riding on Goodyear Wrangler tires. This is a aluminum wheel and also does have the tire pressure monitoring system on it as well for safety. That is a nice feature they added there. Get an electric outlet right here. You can see a little white tag hanging down right there. That's where your gas line is. You got some hot and cold low point water drains. And then again, that bar right there is where you would mount your griddle. On the back here, you're gonna have traditional 4-inch square tube bumper. You're gonna have the spare tire mounted back here. You are also prepped up here for the Lippert portable stow and go ladder system. You can get that aftermarket. And you're also prepped in the top center right there for the Furrion rear observation camera. That is a very nice safety feature to consider adding to any RV. Let you see what's going on behind you when you're driving down the road and stuff. Now back here in this corner here, you are going to have your on-demand water heater located right here. City water inlet. You're gonna have the dump area right here for your gray and black. And you'll also see, maybe here you can see a little bit here, there are 12-volt heat pads to help kind of keep this stuff from freezing up in colder weather. Black tank flush, hot and cold outside utility shower, cable inlet, and detachable 30 amp power cord. You have the furnace exhausting out right here as well. And then right down here, that little white handle is going to be your freshwater tank drain. Gravity fill for that freshwater tank. And then the other side of your storage compartment area right there. You're going to have some real important informational sticker stuff right here. So first things up, this is our production date sticker. It tells me this RV was built 7/26 of 24, model 17R. It has a gross weight of 4,500 pounds. That's axle weight, hitch weight, everything combined. Do not exceed that. You have a dry weight of this RV, 3,149 pounds. With an exterior length of 20 feet 8 inches. You have an LT 225/75R 16E range tire with an 80 PSI cold. Very important, again, keep up with your tire pressure. And again, they give you that tire pressure monitoring system to help you with that as well. But looking at the front here, you have a pretty nice 3/4 fiberglass front shell. Again, going with one of those oval windshields in the front. You got a couple green LED light strips and a lower metal skirting. The unit has two 20-pound propane tanks with the hard bottle cover. You got a manual tongue jack, 2 5/16 hitch ball, heavy duty safety chains, 7-way Bardman wiring plug, traditional breakaway cable. Then you have this pretty cool bike rack hitch here on the front of it. And down in below here, there's a battery disconnect and then also the repeater for the tire pressure monitoring system as well. And there's room down here for 1 or possibly 2 batteries, depending on the size of the batteries. All right, folks, thanks a ton for taking the time to watch this quick tour of the new 2025 Remote 17R lightweight travel trailer here. Thanks again.